You are watching live from Ghana. This is Faithful. I am in Accra, Ghana. Guys, in this video, I'm going to meet one of my friend. His name is Nene Manesi. Guys, nevertheless, for the past month ago, I had a wonderful meeting to some of the most popular influential Ghana YouTubers here in Ghana. In this day, I met Avram Bemushe. He is the founder and leader of the Common Sense family. And in fact, I was excited of meeting him, and he is such a great man, lovely and welcoming here in Ghana. Do you know that I met Wodemaya also here in Accra? Oh my god. Wodemaya is a Ghanaian YouTuber personality, vlogger, digital media influencer, and electrical engineer. In fact, I was excited of meeting him. In this video, guys, bear with me. Let us take a retrospective review of meeting Nene Manesi. He is a chief priest here in Ghana. Bear with me as we meeting Nene Manesi. Guys, this video is to take a retrospective review of some of the activities I've been doing here in Ghana, as well as all of you are concerned. Now, bear with me. I'm going to pause the video